Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually set up your payments on Shopify.com. But before we do that, I need to make sure that we understand what Shopify.com is about. And if you're new to this, I'm going to give you the complete breakdown of what Shopify.com is. This is a global commerce platform where you can build your business to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And one of the things that you can do is discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business, with millions of merchants available worldwide and available in 170 countries, with a total US e-commerce of 10% and a global economic activity of $444 billion that's available. And the best thing, guys, is that you can build an online storefront and you can bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator, and there's no coding expertise that is required, just your next big idea. And that is something you need to fathom in the totality of this element, because you need to make sure that your fixed cost is as low as possible. So you don't need to actually hire a front end or back end developer. You can focus on building your business, and you can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. You can add more features and functionalities to your stores with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. And that is something that is very unique, guys, because you can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools and the social integrations and sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. But the most important thing is, guys, you have to make sure that your payment integration is done in the correct way, which we will look at in this video, because I want to show you the possibilities and the flexibilities that are given by Shopify when it comes to payments, because they're catering for millions of merchants and millions of customers across the globe, and they give a chance for you to integrate multiple channels so you can make sure that you're always one step ahead. And that is the reason why they have one of the best converting checkouts on the planet, that you can back your business with ShopPay, the one-click checkout that is built to convert, and obviously a point of sale system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line. And from the first touch to the full funnel, you can reach new leads, engage with customers, you can have the data that you want to build on, and obviously streamline your back office by overseeing your operations and fulfilling every single orders and managing your money where you make it. Now, if you don't have an account, guys, don't worry. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days, or just click on start the free trial. And once you set up your page, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your homes, your order, your products, your customers, your analytics, your marketing and your discounts, your online stores, and your Facebook and your Instagram integration. Then on the bottom over here, you're going to have your settings. Now, once you click on settings, you will see that on the store plan, you would have your plans, your billings, your user permissions, and your payments. We need to make sure that we go to payments. And once you click on payments, you will see that there are different payment providers that are available, and providers that enable you to accept payment methods at a rate set by a third party. Additional fee will apply to new orders when you select the plan, which we haven't done now, but I will show you what plan we're talking about. And once you click on choose a provider, what happens is that you will be shown all the different checkouts that are going to be available. Now, there's certain ones that are unavailable in your country because we're doing this from South Africa, but if you're doing this from the UK, Australia, France, Germany, Japan, China, Argentina, you would have similar methods that's available. These are the ones that are for South Africa, and you can create different payment methods as well by clicking over here. If you want American Express, Apple Pay, if you want Diners Club, you can easily find them out, and you can filter the third-party payment methods as well. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the ones that you can actually select and actually include that are available. Now, you can clearly see one of the things that these are all the ones that are available, but not in this country, but are available generally on Shopify. If we click the ones that, for example, to checkout, it will take us to the next page. Now, on this page, you will see the ability and the things that we need to do to ensure that we can enable this, because the to checkout enables you to accept mobiles and online payment from buyers worldwide. And no matter if you sell physical or digital goods and services, a one-time or a on recurring basis, the payment processing is seamless, guys. guys, it's safe and reliable. And no matter where you are on the map, you can start selling in minutes in 200 plus countries and territories with over 100 supported currencies. All you need to do is create a 2-checkout account, log in and activate your 2-checkout account, access the integrations under the API sections, and generate a new INS secret word and paste it in the secret word section on this page. Click on save, redirect it, and click on the save setting. And obviously, if you need any support, you can do that from the 2-checkout. And this is where the information is going to be for your merchant code, for your secret word, and all the elements that you want to do. And in the test mode, what you can do is that you can test your 2-checkout setup by stimulating the successful and failed transaction, and just click on enable the test mode. And when the test mode is on, all the 2-checkout transactions are going to be stimulated, and just click on activate the 2-checkout over here and it's going to be activated. Now after that is done, is just go back, because what we need to do is something very important. It's very important because we want to do the testing for the bogus gateway. And once we click on over here, what we're going to do is that we're going to activate for the testing on the bogus gateway. Now actually indicating this that we can actually help and get the information that we want. So let's go back to our page over here and let's go to our online store. Now once we click on the online store, we have to do something which is very crucial, guys, because this is something I always mention to everyone that wants to buy something, that wants to use something, is their theme. Please make sure that you select a theme which is free initially, and obviously once your dropshipping business starts off, you can always upgrade to a paid theme. Now it takes a couple of seconds for it to be installed. Once it's installed, just publish it so you will have access to the theme that's going to be available. Now the theme has been added, just click on publish so it can get published. So once we do that, the information that the theme that we want is going to be added over here. Now as you can clearly see, the theme has been added. Now once you click on viewing your website store, it's going to go to the online store. Now on the online store, you'll be able to see all the elements that are available. For example, you have the example element over here. We click on it, and once we have the theme available, we can sell, we can buy anything, and you can always test it by going over here and seeing that the payment methods that we have has been added as a testing that's going to be available. If you scroll down, we will see that the testing is available, and we can set by the testing for the gateway as well. Now obviously the thing over here is to make sure that you can easily place a test on Shopify to ensure to see and understand exactly how the testing is going to take place. And obviously the testing is one of the most crucial elements for you to understand. So all these elements are available, from the credit name that you're going to put in, the name that you're going to have on the cart, and the CVV number that you're going to add in, and the expiry date that's going to be available. Now after you're done the testing, just click on manage for the testing in the Shopify admin and deactivate the bonus gateway to make sure everything is going to be done in the right manner. So once you've tested it, just head over to manage, and once you head over to manage, you can always click on deactivate the bogus gateway, and it's as simple, straightforward as that, guys. Now before you do anything, please make sure that you go through the policies that you need to put in. Now as you can clearly see, all the information needs to be added in by the templates, which we have done. So make sure all this information is available, so if you find anything difficult, they can get in touch with you. Now if you got any questions, guys, whatsoever, you can always drop us a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. And obviously if you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media so more people can find out about how simple, straightforward it is to integrate different payment methods that are available on Shopify for your country, in your store across the globe. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.